The Tsunami is a chapter that recounts the devastating impact of a tsunami on the lives of people in a coastal village. The story focuses on a family comprising a father, mother, and their two children, Ravi and Iqbal, who experienced the catastrophic event. The chapter begins by introducing the picturesque village and its inhabitants, who rely on the sea for their livelihood. It highlights the close-knit community and the harmonious relationship they share with nature. However, one fateful day, a massive tsunami strikes the village, leaving behind a trail of destruction. The narrative describes the chaos and the panic that ensue as the villagers attempt to escape the impending disaster. The family members are separated amidst the chaos, and Ravi, the protagonist, gets separated from his family. He encounters various challenges and dangers as he struggles to survive and find his loved ones. Ravi's journey takes him through the devastated village, witnessing the heartbreaking scenes of destruction and loss. He faces numerous obstacles such as floating, debris, strong currents, and injured people. Despite the danger, Ravi shows courage and resilience, helping others along the way. Eventually, Ravi is reunited with his family and they find solace and support in each other's presence. The chapter ends on a note of hope and resilience as the villagers come together to rebuild their lives and heal from the tragedy. Here are a few sample questions and answers related to the chapter. What's the main focus of the chapter? The tsunami. The main focus of the chapter is the devastating impact of a tsunami on a coastal village and the experiences of the characters in the aftermath. Who are the main characters in the story? The main characters are Ravi, Iqbal, and their parents. How does the chapter depict the impact of the tsunami on the village? The chapter portrays the chaos, destruction, and loss caused by the tsunami, as well as the resilience and strength displayed by the villagers. Describe Ravi's journey after the tsunami strikes. Ravi faces numerous challenges as he searches for his family, including navigating through the destroyed village, encountering dangers, and helping others in need. What is the significance of the ending of the chapter? The ending of the chapter shows the resilience and unity of the villagers as they come together to rebuild their lives and find hope in the midst of tragedy.